Welcome to Programming ABC. I come with another Turtle graphics. Simple code, make it easily. import import turtle turtle t equal turtle turtle dot turtle first bracket is equal turtle turtle dot scrwn screen is dot bg background color 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 first bracket double quote black black t dot reset reset turtle reset t dot color color turtle color red red is capital letter for angle angle n range 0 start then 360 15 clone next line enter t dot set height first bracket angle angle t dot circle circle 100 now run turtle graphics it's amazing animation close. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share.